back to Cooking with Cardi. It's me, Brent Cardi, and I'm not a chef. I'm just here to prove to you that if an average Joe like myself can cook it, so can you. Big shout out to my mom though for everything that I have learned about cooking. You're the best. On today's menu, we are making pizza. Yep, you heard that right. Right from the dough too. Something I've never done before, so I'm pretty pumped about it. I have to go to the store for one freaking thing. Yeast. Today's prep work is super easy. All we really got to do together is the dough, and then you just throw on whatever toppings you like. We'll go over what toppings I'm going to put on though, but you don't have to follow that. Do whatever you want. Let's get started. For today's recipe, you are going to need flour, instant yeast, sugar, salt, garlic powder, cooking oil, warm water, and all the toppings you want. In a large mixing bowl, add a cup of flour, 1 small packet of instant yeast, which is about 2 1/4 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now whisk it all together. You can now add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 3/4 cups of warm water. Now mix it. Now from a cup of flour, gradually keep adding a little bit at a time, mixing it in between each add. After the 1 cup, it should turn into a dough. Now you can take the dough and form it into a small ball. You're now going to oil up a large bowl. Now add your dough ball to the bowl and move it around so the bottom of it gets covered in oil. Flip it over and do the same thing so the whole thing is covered in oil. Now cover it with either plastic wrap or a tea towel. We're now going to set it aside in a warm place for about 30 minutes to an hour until it doubles in size. Time's up, it's now doubled in size. We're going to take off the plastic wrap and punch it. Now cover a large, clean, flat surface with flour so the dough doesn't stick to it. Now we're going to knead the dough for a full minute. Now with a rolling pin or wine bottle, you're going to roll it out to form a large circle. Now oil up your pizza pan and transfer your dough onto the pizza pan. Cut off any overhang you might have. If you have a lot, roll it out again to make another pizza. Now get your oven preheating to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. With a fork, poke a bunch of holes in your crust. Now brush the whole thing with oil. It is now time for the best part, toppings. Now you can put whatever you want on yours, but this is what I put on mine. Let's go. For toppings, I start off with an Alfredo sauce base. Add a bunch of chunks of chicken. Lots of bacon. A handful of chopped up onion. A good layer of mozzarella cheese. A layer of cheddar cheese, and top it off with a drizzle of barbecue sauce. Now sauce it in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the cheese is melted and the crust is at your desired crispiness. It's done. cut it up. Okay, pizza's done. It looks amazing. Here it is. I don't think it could have gone any smoother. Let's take a look at the crust. Oh, look at that flop. Underside is cooked. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Woo, hot. Mmm. Try the crust. Mmm. That tastes good. Honestly, I would change one thing, cook it a little longer. It could be a little crispier on the bottom. Other than that, this is delicious. This is so good. This dough recipe, super quick, super easy, tastes super good. That's how you make pizza. Perfect for Friday night. I can't stop. If you enjoyed what you watched today to learn how to make pizza, give this video a like. Comment below your favorite toppings. I would like to know. Definitely no pineapple allowed on pizza. You heard it here. Be sure to subscribe to follow along on more of our cooking adventures, and you have yourself a great day. Cheers.